In this video, I'm going to be testing out the heat feature on this Dyson Purifier Hot Plus Cool. I have my Therm Pro right here so we can digitally monitor the heat output. Now, comparatively speaking, this is a Lasco heater. This is sold at Costco. We're at about $49 for this. This is a really highly rated portable heater. You can tell there's a huge size difference. So I'm thinking the Dyson may put out a little bit more heat, or it may distribute the heat a little more evenly. Now, one thing with these portable heaters, they get pretty darn hot. Some of them are normally around 125 to 135 degrees. Now, measuring with the Therm Pro about 12 inches away from it. But the air is extremely dry. So that's why I'm going to check it with the Therm Pro, because I want to see what the humidity level does. So wintertime, the air is normally dry, your skin gets dry. The thing you don't want to happen is a nice hot room with a real dry skin or dry irritation. So I'm just wondering if the humidity level stays up a little bit on the Dyson compared to one of these. Now, comparing this on a 1 hour room test in the 12x19 room I'm going to put this in, humidity level is down around 32%. So it is extremely dry, but it is extremely warm. So let's check out the Dyson and see how it performs. This is a 12x19 room, so roughly 230 square feet. I have the Dyson heater right there. And this is what the room looks like. This is just the movie room that we have down in the basement. It's 12 feet wide, 19 feet long. Here is the Therm Pro. So the temperature right now is 67.3 degrees. We're going to go ahead and turn on the Dyson. I'm going to turn on as hot as it will go with as much fan as it will go and oscillate. And I'm going to come back in 1 hour and see what it raises the room temperature to. All right, I've got everything set. I'm going to seal off the room, come back in 1 hour and check the temperature. I do have the oscillation set to the max, which is, I think it's like 350 degrees. So it's going to blow all around the entire room and warm up the entire room. After 1 hour, the room is now 78.6 degrees and the humidity level is at 45%. Well, the Dyson did perform a little better than I thought. It warmed up the room fairly well. The whole entire room felt warm. It's not like it just felt warm in one spot. And the humidity was somewhere around 45%. So that's pretty decent. So you're not going to get those dry eyes or itchy skin running this portable heater. Hope you guys found this test interesting, and thanks for watching.